Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet container. The total area I have taken is width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter and the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter. So in the front we have outdoor sitting area. Here the size of the outdoor sitting area is 8 feet 8 inches into 3 feet 8 inches in meter 2.64 into 1.11 meter, and here is a sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have a foyer area. The size of the foyer area is 8 feet 8 inches into 3 feet 8 inches in meter 2.64 into 1.11 meter. You can see here the storage unit. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. The size of this area is 13 feet 6 inches into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.11 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen counter here with burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and here is a dining counter with 2 chairs. Also we have 2 large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage, and on the left side we have washroom plus water closet. Here the size of the washroom is 6 feet 6 inches into 4 feet in meter 1.98 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and also shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. Also we have a window here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a bedroom here. The size of the bedroom is 10 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 3.04 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a wardrobe on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation of this bedroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.